Coming to the borders,
Omukulunga ida kumulamwa ogwaba boda.
I'm glad I have been alerted about the problems of the borders.
Musanufu ino nti yafuna okumanisibwaku ku nsonga era mu kitaireyo egema ku bizibu by'aba boda.
I want to thank
ayenda kubebaza ayaliyo ayikusiima ekyendawulo.
I want to thank Farouk Chirunda for highlighting this. You heard that when I got the information, I involved the police to investigate.
Muwulire bulungi nti bwe yafuna ensonga eyo yatuma poliisi yagiyimbulirawo okukola okunoonyereza okumala ku nsonga eyo yeene yali erikwogerwako.
I am going to check and conclude that matter.
Ajja kwongera okwetegereza era agimalirize mulundi mulala nga bwe mwidi nti etalo daalwa ineni gidagema kutidira inuma.